the next 5-10 years, I continue to see us building on what we have established now, 24 years after our settlement. I would expect to see us continuing to invest into our people. That's not an overnight mission. It's going to take some time for us to turn around, I think, some deep-seated social statistics, economic statistics that we have, but I'm very confident that we are travelling in the right direction now. The constant demands from our people, they expect us to deliver, and I don't see that necessarily as a challenge. I just think that's about us raising the bar, that we constantly are doing that. That's my focus about being purposeful, but also understanding that we're only here to build on the legacy that others have established for us. Mahi a te mahi hei paenga mō te iwi, which is work for the betterment of our people.